back to my channel. For today's video, I have a little daily vlog for you. It kind of turned into like a weekend vlog because I filmed over the span of like 2 days. But I'm really excited about today's video because it is sponsored by Osea. Osea is a vegan, cruelty-free brand that was founded in California. The Osea name stands for ocean, sun, earth, and atmosphere because they are inspired by all of those elements. I really love the brand because they use ingredients that are found in nature and they're committed to being climate neutral, which is really awesome. The Osea Undaria algae body oil is one of the most luxurious body oils I have ever used, and I am such a fan of body oils. I've tried so many. The oil absorbs really quickly, leaving my skin feeling glowy and moisturized, but never oily. I hate the feeling of really oily oils all over the skin, especially if I'm wearing clothing. It gets stuck to my clothing, my hair. I apply the Undaria algae body oil all over my arms, chest, and legs. I especially like wearing the oil after I've exfoliated my skin with the Osea plant-based body brush. Dry brushing is definitely something that I've always wanted to incorporate in my skincare routine, but I've never found one that I really liked. The Osea one fits perfectly in my hand and it's shaped perfectly to use all over the body. I just lightly flick the brush across my skin to get a really good exfoliation and also promote blood flow. Osea also sent over some of their other skincare products for me to try. Their new Day Glow face oil has quickly become a staple in my skincare routine. Like the Osea body oil, the Day Glow face oil leaves my skin feeling really hydrated, very glowy, but never overly oily. The Osea Hyaluronic C Serum has also become a favorite of mine. This really reminds me of gripping primers that I use in my makeup routine, but the Hyaluronic C Serum obviously has those skin benefiting ingredients to it. It makes my face feel really firm, but also hydrating, so I love using it underneath of makeup. The C-Biotic Water Cream is a really amazing moisturizer that is very creamy, but very lightweight at the same time. I love using it for quick skincare days, just applied on its own, or also paired with the Hyaluronic C Serum. If I want to do a little skincare cocktail, I will also mix the C cream in with the Day Glow face oil. When my skin needs a bit of a refresher, I really love this C Glow Overnight Serum. This serum has AHAs in it, so it will exfoliate my skin while I sleep, and I wake up with smooth and glowy skin. I seriously have been loving my Osea products so much. I really appreciate them sponsoring today's video. Go ahead and check them out by clicking the link in my description box and get 10% off using my code down below. So this is my side of the bed. It can get really messy. I just picked up like all of the clothes that were laying over here. This is from IKEA. I really love this thing. It replaces the need for a nightstand. I definitely want to reorganize this and just clean it up a bit. And then Justin put up a cork board for me that I really want to decorate. It is going to be in the background of my videos, at least probably like this part on. I recently got a Polaroid camera. I would love to take some shots today of just different things, maybe of the dogs. I'm thinking also some makeup related shots. I'm going to see how stuff like that photographs, but I was also trying to look on Pinterest for some cute ideas on what to do with this. I just want this to be like a cute thing in my background and a way for me to hang up things that I would enjoy looking at. So we're cleaning up this today, and then I'm going to decorate my cork board. When Justin and I first started dating, he got me one of these because I loved popping his pimples. I still use it every single time I go to pop his pimples, and it was a great gift. I love this thing. My car keys. I miss my car so much. This looks way better now, way less cluttered. We'll see how long that lasts. I tend to clutter areas really quickly, but yeah, I'm really happy with this. And then these are all the items that I took off of the pegboard. So I'm taking off all my vitamins. I've been really bad about taking my vitamins, but I think that if I put them away and actually make my little pill container again, I'll be a lot better about it. So I'm just gonna get these out of the way. And then I have claw clips that can go anywhere, some earrings that I'm gonna put away. This right here, one of the best hair hacks I've seen on TikTok. I am so in love with the products that I'm using right now. I'm just scrunching up my hair a little bit to fluff it up. The Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, still using it. Bread hair cream I've been using for a while now, still love it, but it's a little bit newer. The newest thing that I've been using though is that JVN air dry cream. It's amazing, it smells amazing. They sent me that, the hair oil, and then also some like styling cream for heat styling, which I haven't tried out yet. I really like this one blow dry spray that I have from Kenra. I use that all the time, but like, this is second day hair. This is second day hair. I'm so pleased with how my hair is looking right now. But I am going to just do a little bit of makeup right now. Just for fun, I recently got a Instax Mini 11. I purchased mine on Poshmark. I really wanted one of these because the kids I was nannying for had one and I loved using it with them, so I really wanted one. And then I also got this box of accessories from Poshmark too, so it came with a little case, this close-up lens that I want to use soon, this photo album, some colored filter lens. I think stuff like this would look really cute on the cork board. This one came out pretty cute. I used the orange lens for that one. That's the one I took with you all. And then that's just a hanging plant. I would love for someone to explain to me why my pictures come out so bad. These came out so bad. Literally every single one of them. I guess like this one was fine. I don't know, it's a little dark. These two of Wilma like aren't great. These are horrible and blurry. This was not at all what it looked like in the little viewfinder. Not great. These are the ones I'm kind of considering for the cork board. I wish this Bala picture came out better. It's like kind of blurry and overexposed. This plant one is pretty nice. I wish this one came out a little bit better. Like everything, it just captures so bright and overexposed. I know that the Instax Mini 11 has the feature where it will change the setting automatically. I kind of wish I got the Instax Mini 9 so I could adjust the camera manually. I don't think that the automatic filter change or exposure change in the Instax Mini 11 is good. This one of the fan looks kind of cute. Everything on the camera is also looking a lot better than they look in person. This one I took of my Osea products look pretty cute. It could look better. This is one of Molly and Holly. This is Holly. This is Molly's sister. They're cute little siblings. This is a cute one that I took a few weeks ago of my nanny kids that I'm no longer working for, but I think I might still add this to the board because it's really cute. They're just like right here. And then this one is of some pizza that my dad made. But I have these from that package that I showed you all. And I'm going to kind of sort them all together. I don't know if I'm going to use these frames, but I might. And then I want to put them on my cork board. I picked up these flat thumbtacks from Target earlier. And I think that they are a little too big for the little clothespins that I have. I even have these mini clothespins. I'm pretty sure I got these from Michael's like ages ago. This bums me out because I saw this tip on Pinterest where people were gluing these flat thumbtacks on the back of clothespins and then putting them on the cork board, which I think makes a lot of sense so you don't have to like keep repinning things. I'm going to try and Gorilla Glue this to the cork board. I don't know. I think it'll end up being fine. These are wax lap stickers of Wilma. If you've never heard of wax laps before, they make the cutest stickers of your pets. Like, you just submit a picture, you pick out the size that you want, and then they'll give you a sticker sheet. These are perfect gifts too. Like, anyone I've ever gifted a wax laps of their pet, they've loved. I'm gonna put this one of Wilma, just like right here. I'm gonna need to get some made of Molly, but I'll wait a little bit till she's older. I just found this little planning sheet in my office, and I have like a whole little booklet of them, so I think I'm gonna add it to my cork board. I got this really sweet thank you card recently from that family I was naming. I'm gonna put it in here. I put the thumbtack, the flat. Oh, okay. So these thumbtacks are trash. But yeah, this card is really cute. Like, the front of it's really cute, and it fits perfectly in this spot. I'm gonna leave it right there. And then while going through my office, I found these clear stickers. These are from ages ago when I used to buy stationery off AliExpress. And yeah, I'm gonna put these on the corkboard. So here's the finished board. I think it looks pretty cute for now. Obviously, this is going to change up every once in a while. I actually don't really love these stickers. I don't like that they are so shiny, but I'll deal with that later. Obviously, some of these pictures are going to get changed out. I think the note could get changed out. I'll update this weekly, or try to at least. But yeah, for now, this is really cute, especially this side of it, because this is what's going to be shown in my videos. Like, this is basically the background of my videos. So yeah, I'm glad that this part of the board looks really cute. Hopefully brands send me more stickers so I can put stickers all over it. But yeah, right now I am a pretty big fan of this. I love how it looks in the room. I ended up taking the stickers off. It looks way better. The stickers were cute. I did add them to 2 of the photos, but yeah, they just didn't really look that good against the cork board. But yeah, I'm still really happy with it. I really hope that you all liked today's vlog. Again, thank you so much to Osea for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check them out in the link down below, and don't forget to use my coupon code for 10% off of your purchase.